Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine, DM to the DF, who are not in contact with each other. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages from your divine masculine. What does divine masculine wants to say? Okay, and if it resonates with you, please take it, and if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages. Who are not in contact with each other, the divine masculine wants to say a lot of things. Okay, so now let's see what does they want to say. Please help me out, guides, god, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Maybe you can see the angel number 1155, 1155. That can be a possibility here. Okay, what does divine masculine wants to say? Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say? Wow. Wow. So, would you accept me? Would you accept me, divine feminines? And I'm sorry if you get the voice at the background, okay, because my family is having dinner. So they're talking at the dinner time. So they want to say beautiful things and beautiful messages here, whoever is seeing this video. Okay, so the first message from your divine masculine is 0220 is the recording reading time. They love your voice. You sound sexy over the phone. So they love your voice, divine feminines here. Okay, and they're missing the voice here. Maybe they hear your voice, so they want to tell you that you sound sexy over the phone. They love your voice. I feel badly the way I treated you. You did not deserve that. They know that they have treated you wrong and you did not deserve that. Okay, so that's why they want to ask you, would you accept me? Would you accept me, divine feminines? They know that they have treated you very badly here. Okay, I want this union just as much as you do. Okay, they also want this union as much as you want, divine feminines. This is the first time I'm getting this message in my readings. Okay, so the divine masculine also wants the union as much as you want, divine feminines. Okay, they want to tell you that you respect my family and you make me a better person. Okay, because of you they are a better person and you respect their family and they love that. You pamper me like your baby, so you pamper them a lot, and because of your caring motherly nature which divine feminines have, so they love that nature and they love the way you pamper them. Okay, something is still missing for me and I'm trying to find out what it is. They still, something is still missing into them and they're still finding out what is that. Okay, what is that which is still missing in them? And that is you. That is you, divine feminines. Okay, so the beautiful message I'm having for you is, okay, that maybe you are getting the numbers, angel number 414. Okay, would you accept me? I want this union as much as you do. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here for you. Now let's see more messages. What are the most message I want to deliver? Please give me the messages. Please give me the messages from the divine masculine. What does divine, you are the song of my heart. What are the messages for divine feminine? They can't forgive themselves. They know that they have treated you wrong. What are the messages from the divine masculine, please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say? Something keeps pulling back towards you. What is the message divine masculine wants to say? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages? Okay. So they have been watching you from a distance. They're keeping an eye on you. What my divine feminine is doing. Maybe through social media app, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Skype, Snapchat, anything. But they are keeping a tab on you. Okay. So, yes, they're keeping a tab on you. Something keeps pulling back towards me. Okay. I want to hold your body close to mine. So they want to feel you here, divine feminines. They're going through with the dark night of a soul. They're feeling lost and confused. Many of divine masculine is going through with the awakening process. Okay. And they are going through now the dark night of a soul. Now they are feeling lost and they're feeling confused. I'm sorry, I can't forgive myself for how things went. I'm sorry how badly I treated you. You did not deserve that. The same message. They're very sorry for the things they went, how the things went basically between you and them. They're missing you. Any other message from the divine masculines? I got this message again. They lied. I lie because I'm afraid you are not going to accept the real me. Okay. You have triggered my spiritual awakening. So divine feminines, you have triggered the spiritual awakening into them. Okay. I lie because I'm afraid you are not going to accept the real me. That's why they lie with you. Okay. And wounded masculine, I have hurt you while I was hurting. They hurt you because they were hurting themselves. They were not healed. And that's why they're feeling very sorry that they have treated you wrong. You did not deserve that. Okay, they can't forgive themselves. They're very sorry because how things went down. They know that they were the wounded masculines. I just felt crying. I don't know why. I know we are meant to be together. Okay. Okay. They know that you both are meant to be together. I want this union. Oh, they want to surprise you. I want to surprise you here. And here I'm having 5115 is the mirror number I'm getting here. 1515, 5115. I want this union just as much as you do. I know that we are meant to be together. Can you see? So these are the messages which I'm getting here from your divine masculine. They are feeling very much, they can't forgive themselves basically. They want this union as much as you do. Okay. And they're watching you. They are watching you from distance. Don't think that they are not watching you. They are watching you here, divine feminines. They are watching you. 0909 was the recording reading time. And they want to give you a surprise. Okay. Many of you are planning to give you a surprise. I want to surprise you. But they want to know that whether you are going to accept it or not. Would you accept me or not? Okay. So yes, this was the messages. Let's see more messages from the divine masculine. What are the messages from the divine masculine? Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines? What are the messages divine masculine wants to say, to give to the divine feminines? How it just okay. They want to create home with you. You make my fears melt away. You make my fears melt away. I feel half when I'm not with you. Okay. I know that we are meant to be together. They tell you this, that they know that you both are meant to be together. So when they are apart from you, they feel half. They don't feel complete because they are the other half of you. Okay. Let's see more messages. What are the messages Divine Masculine wants to say? What are the Divine Masculine wants to say? What does Divine Masculine wants to say more? Any other message from the Divine Masculine? Give me any other message. No. Any other message from the Divine Masculine? You are always there when I need you. You always give me cute names. Okay, so they love it. Maybe you give Divine Masculine the cute name, so they love them. They love that. You support me in my interests and hobbies. You appreciate me. We can spend hours doing nothing but talking. So they love talking to you. That's why they say that they love your voice. They love the voice you have. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here for you, and that's the beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from the universe. 1 minute, I need to. Okay. What are the messages from the universe? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for this reading. Go out and meet new people. 1212 is the recording reading time. What is the message you want me to deliver? You deserve to be loved for who you are. 1221. That's the message which I'm getting here for you. And these are so many messages. I'm not going to take it. Please, universe, give me the messages. What are the messages for this reading? Any other message? Obtain more spiritual wisdom. Become more self-aware. Okay, Divine Feminines, you deserve to be loved for who you are. That's beautiful. Work on raising your self-worth. Okay. Never dim your light for anyone. You deserve to be loved for who you are. Okay. Never dim your light for anyone. You deserve to be loved for who you are. And listen and sharpen your intuitive skills. 1333. Okay, listen and sharpen your intuitive skills. That's the message I'm getting here from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the blockages. Maybe you are having trust issues. So these are the blockages you can apply according to your situation. Okay, it is not necessary that all will apply according all to you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see what are the blockages for. Maybe some of you are dealing with a karmic lover. Karmic lover trust issues. So let's see what are the blockages. What are the blockages for this reading? Please give me the blockages. What are the blockages for this reading? What are the blockages? Give me the blockages. What are the blockages for this reading? Any other blockage? Okay, some of you are having a blockage. Lot of blockages this time, lot of blockages. Any other blockage? Any other blockage? Usually I take 4 or 5 blockages. Okay, I'm not going to take it, but someone is dealing with an abusive lover. Okay, so some of you are very selfishness. Okay, selfishness is the message here. That's the blockage I'm having here. Okay, some of you are dealing with sadness. That's a blockage. Some of you are the perfectionist. Okay, so work on your blockages. Okay, remove these blockages so that you can get the union. Some of you are dealing with the false love. Okay, the karmic one, the karmic lover, the false love. Okay, there are lessons being learned. There are some lessons which are you are going to learn here. Some of you can be a drama queen, so this can be your divine feminine. You can be a drama queen. 1616 is the recording reading time. Okay, there is a wounded masculine or the wounded feminine here. So someone is here who is not completely healed yet. There is someone who is very workaholic. Okay, materialistic workaholic. Okay, materialistic workaholic. There is someone who is very greedy, lustful, manipulator, egoistic. So these are the blockages, and there is someone who is dealing with the drugs and addictions. So these are the blockages which is there in your relationship, and I hope you get out these blockages. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages for you from the tarot. Okay, from my twin flame tarot deck. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, please give me the messages for this reading from the tarot. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? What are the messages? Pay attention to the signs, divine communication, okay? Guidance. So the divine is trying to communicate with you through the signs, through the synchronicities. The angel guidance is available to you through the dreams, through the visions, through the songs. So just pay attention to the signs, okay? There is a new chapter of your life. Bottom of the deck, I'm having marriage proposals. See, many of you are going to get reunions. A lot of reunions are going to happen in the month of June. Okay, and here also I'm having marriage proposals. Many of you are going to get your marriage proposal here. That's the new chapter which is of your life, which is indicated here. A new chapter is going to start in your life. Understand wounds and issues. So some of you have to heal your inner child issues. Okay, you have to understand your inner child issues. So there are two set of groups where in this video, who is watching this video. One is who still requires healing, okay, and one who has completed their healing and they're going to get reunited and having the marriage proposal. Then there is higher self, finding your center and inner peace. Okay, so you have to find out your higher self here. There is soul lessons, look for the learning experiences. See, I told you this was the same message, lessons to be learned. Okay, so whatever lessons you are learning here, there are the soul lessons. Look for the learning experience. What lessons are what you learned from these experiences. 1919 was the recording reading time. Okay, so that because of that lessons, you are going to grow on a soul level. You will get on your higher self. Okay, you will get the ascension, you will get the rise in your soul's light. And there is fear. So someone is still dealing in a fear frequency. You have to get out of this fear box. You're trapped in this fear box. Okay, so that's the message which I'm getting here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's add one thing which you need to surrender. Surrender to the trust. You need to surrender to the trust. Trust that everything is happening according to the divine and divine plan. Okay? So that's the message I'm getting here for you. Trust yourself and your decisions. Don't be swayed by other people's strong opinions about what to do. Take action and be confident that you have chosen the right path. Okay? Surrender to trust. Trust yourself that you have made the best choice. Okay? So that's the message I'm getting here for you. Now let's see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn. What is the soul lesson? One soul lesson for this reading. Abundance. I got two for you. And doubt. Doubt and trust. I release the needs to know all the answers. Surrender to trust. That's the soul lesson which you need to learn. Okay, doubt. Abundance. I am a limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. Okay, so that's the soul lesson which you need to learn here. That's beautiful. Let's see one life purpose. Some of you can be a speaker. What is the life purpose? Oracle cards. What is the life purpose for this reading? What is the life purpose? Okay, so some of you can be your life purpose can be teaching. You inspire young people to learn. Okay, so your life purpose can be into teaching line. You can be a teacher. Okay, a spiritual teacher or a normal teacher in school, Indian children. Oh, so your life purpose involves young people to learn. You inspire young people to learn. Teaching is an important life lesson here. So now let's see what is the message from Lovers Oracle. It's difficult to do the shuffling of this deck. Okay. Please give me the message. What is the message for this reading? Okay. What is the message? Too many message. No, I don't want too many message. Please give me one or two message. Please give me one or two message. One message more. Okay. So, when it comes to matters of heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and love. See, everything happens, okay, whether it will be a lesson for you or it will be a blessing for you. So do not worry about the decision you take in your life. Okay, whenever you choose, whenever you make a choice for your life, you have to understand that whether it will be a blessing or a lesson for you. There is no right or wrong. Okay, and there is time. You are trying too hard. Give it time. Let go of the control issue. The things will happen according to the divine timing. Okay, you're trying so hard. Trust the divine timing. It will happen according to the divine timing. Yes. Let's see one message from this true love. What is the message you are having? Please give me the message. What is the message? Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having divine masculine. Spiritual maturity. Okay, so you are working on your creativity and you both are working on your creativity, and if you are not working it, start working on your creativity. Because of that, things are changing in your life. Divine feminines and the divine masculine. Now the masculine is getting ready for you. They are coming into their full power, the higher self. They're becoming the divine masculine from the distorted masculine. Okay, so they're becoming the divine masculine. And they are getting the spiritual maturity here. So keep working on your creativity. If you love to draw, draw. Okay, if you love to dance, dance. If you love to sing, sing. But keep working on your creativity. You're getting the spiritual maturity, and the divine masculine is getting the divine masculine. Okay, they're becoming the divine masculine. Okay, so let's see one message from, see, TikTok. Divine timing. Things will happen according to the time. TikTok. You're trying too hard. Give it a time. Things will happen according to the divine timing. So that's the message I'm here having for you from this deck. TikTok. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what is the message from Whispers of Love. Have faith here, divine feminines. Have faith in the divine. See, miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. Lot of miracles and blessings are coming towards you. Maybe you're going to get a physical touch. A tender touch can mean so much for you. Maybe they are coming towards you. As I told you, many of you are going to get reunion, a marriage proposal, or meeting with your twin flame here. So yes, beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see. 1 minute. Release. Okay. You have the ability to give over unwanted energies to the loving forces of the universe. Release anything which don't serve your highest good. Let them go. Release them. That's the message I'm getting here for you. So now let's see what are the emotions divine masculine is going through right now. What are the emotions they are right now? Okay, they are. What emotions does divine masculine have? What divine masculine is going through right now? What emotions they are going through? They're feeling very guilty. That we find out. We already find out. We will get only one. What emotion divine masculine is going through? Please help me out to deliver the message. They're afraid. They're scared. Okay. They're feeling incomplete, okay, without you. They're feeling afraid. They're feeling incomplete. That's why they are asking you, would you accept me? They know they have treated you wrong, but would you accept me, divine feminines? Okay, they're feeling incomplete. They're feeling afraid, fearful without you. So that's what I am having here for you. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what is the next step divine masculine wants to take. 4 of Wands. Marriage. Twin flame card. 11 card. Let's see what is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards the divine feminine. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take? Emperor. They want to get married with you. What is the next step? They're gaining the strength. They're gaining the strength to approach you. Okay. Now let's see. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards divine feminine? King of Water. So they are in their emotions. They are feeling you a lot. They are right now in their emotions right now. This can be a water sign here, okay, or a fire sign. Ace of Pentacles. They want to give you a commitment. They want to give you a commitment. A commitment which is full of stability. Stable, committed offer which you can touch. Ace of Earth is Ace of Pentacles. This King of Cups can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or an Earth sign, or can be a fire sign. Sign can be anything, okay. This can be a Leo, okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, okay. So the signs can be anyone, but they want to give you a stable, committed offer. Ace of Pentacles. And now they're gaining the strength to approach you. They're gaining the strength. They want to give you a marriage proposal. 4 of Wands. They see you as their twin flame. They know that you are the twin flame. 11 card. Okay. So let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with here. What are the signs for this reading? Please give me the signs. What are the signs for this reading? So I told you there can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this is Leo and Sagittarius. Aries is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. There can be a Virgo here. Any other sign? Okay. What are the signs for this? So there can be an Aquarius or Gemini here. Okay. Air sign Aquarius or Gemini. There can be a fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. This can be your sign or your twin flame sign. Okay. There can be an earth sign, Virgo and Capricorn. Okay. And there can be a Scorpio and Cancer. Water sign. Okay. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. And this was your reading. Let me add one message. I do not know why, but I just got one message. One message for this reading. What is the message you want me to deliver? What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay, so the change is coming for you. Beautiful. Great fortune. Wow. This was the change. Sudden wealth. Lot of abundance, sudden wealth is coming for you. There is a change which is coming for you here. Okay, there is a great fortune. Wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. The luck is on your side, and there is a marriage proposal which is coming for you here. Many of you are going to get married with your twin flame. Okay, there are ships, distant horizons which are coming for you. You will get success, high honor, success, recognition, victory. Beautiful. That's why I got the message that use this deck. Use this deck. Okay, so this was your reading. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love, healing light and beautiful energy to all of you, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, and if you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, take care of yourself, and if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know, okay, in the comment section. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.